So, hello everyone. This is the specialized front rack that I was telling you about, and people have been asking about this front rack and how it attaches to my frame, or certainly Ogre fork, because as apparently most of you know, the specialized pizza rack does not fit most bikes. So they only made this rack in mind that you buy the specialized A-wall bike, which has the specific mounts for the pizza slices that come with this rack. So I was faced with this problem as soon as I took it out of the box, and yeah, I had to make my own. So what I did was I grabbed a steel corner piece that you put on the inside corners of the shelves that you build out of wood, and I cut some holes into it. Drilled some holes, even tried like 2 different positions, but I'll show you close ones in 1 second. But I tried to get a few different angles and what works best, but to make it work with the Ogre fork and not make it too like upwards in the front, I had to get it as close as I can get to the back end here. As you can see, it's right next to the fork. It's like almost hugging the bolt here, but it's still clearing the bolt, so it should be fine. What else? Yeah, and it's as low as I can get the fork to be. I mean the rack. It's as low as I can get, without the panniers being too low and without the rack being too high, so I can't fit my basket in the front anymore. And because I tour with my dog, my little teeny weeny dog that sits in the front, I needed it to be as strong as you can possibly be. I needed it to be stronger than my bike itself. So, because I really want to keep her safe. But yeah, simple as that. Just a regular steel piece with 3 holes. Measure the holes. Yeah, anyone can do it. This is basically it. This is how it looks. Straight edges, sharp corners, because I didn't have the time to finish it properly. I drilled an extra hole just to try different angles, but ended up using the original one as well. Chipped off some paint up here, painted it black obviously, and well, yeah, that's basically it. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for asking the questions. I'll be sure to answer any next ones that you have. Alright, see you in the next video.